Hello, Pinky here. Oops, sorry. This is Pinky's one-offs. I've been busy. We had a debt in the family and a friend that died. But I was going to visit my sister and I ran across a yard sale. Well, I have to show you the deal I got because this is my stash ad, I guess. One kit, but it's a big one. Let's turn this around. This is the bad boy. It's this wide as my coffee table. If you hold on here, give me a sec. It's almost 2 feet long and almost a foot and a half wide. And I think it's about as thick as a regular model kit. But this thing is massive. And the price tag on it is not what I paid. It says, I think it says $139. And on Amazon has them for $275, I believe, and they're all sold out. Well, this one, the box is in okay shape. It's not torn up. It's all here. Corners are all pretty good. Someone repaired one corner. They look like they glued a piece of something in here. But I mean, it's in good shape. And everything except the stairs and the rails are all still in the original bags. Everything is still in their bags, sealed. It's all here. The only thing, like, there's a lot here. I think it was 600 and something pieces. The only thing that was missing, it's got all of these. They called them, I guess they're calling these the coffee stirs, but they're part of it, was the rope. That's the only thing missing, and everybody that I seen talk about this kit said the rope is too overscaled anyhow, so that's all right. But I found this at a yard sale for $10 Canadian. That I could not say no. I'm never going to build it, but I am going to sell it or trade it for something that I will build. But I thought I'd let you guys see this. I'll be back on the bench soon. Take care and enjoy your rest of the day and the rest of the week.